right, so basically you hit create proposal, and you would either, oops, I hit another button here. So create proposal. If you already have an existing client that you're working with, you can just say select from existing, and you can add it to that particular client. So I'll just click on that, and I'll say create proposal here. So I'm just adding another proposal to it. Name the proposal. Let's call it house cleaning, and pick residential. Pick what type of work you're doing. Cleaning and projects are your regular cleaning of restrooms, kitchens, ovens, etc. Projects are like window cleaning, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, upsells like that. And then you have post-construction cleaning, and then projects only. We have some people that do floors and windows, but they don't do turnovers or anything. So let's pick the frequency. In this case, I would choose one time. Hit add proposal, and it's 4 easy steps. The software then loads all of the areas that come with a resident, and if you want to use it, just click on it, choose the floors. You can take photos and notes. So I just hit attach a photo. I just dropped my daughter off from school at lunch, so that's what you're seeing here. Hit OK. Now you have your photos and notes that are automatically organized by area. And click back. And for the cleaning tasks, you just hit that little arrow here, and you can guesstimate how much time you think it will take. You just check on the things that you want to use, deselect the things that you don't want to use, and anywhere you see an edit pencil, you can just click on it and change it and customize it to your own. And then in step 2, what you would do is you could pick those projects that I was talking about. So let's say they want you to do window cleaning. We'll go down here and we'll pick window cleaning, interior, exterior. You can have specific areas or the whole building. We'll add that project. And the software does the same thing. Photos and notes. Click the task list, and we have all of the tasks there for you. Step 3 has a calculator in it, so that you will just add how much labor you think it would take, or you can just put in the price that you would like. And then step 4, which is the final step, you then can pick from dozens of professionally designed themes. Your own logo and slogan will be there. It's got a legal agreement, contract, exhibits, so it shows you exactly what you would be doing in that home. And then it has electronic signature. Here's the scope of services that you just created, and everything works the exact same way on desktop, and it also works offline in case you lose internet connection. So that was just a quick overview. Hopefully that helps you see how well it works for residential.